Hello YouTube, this is loooove. I found this little thing in the attic. Look at this. It's original Scion 5 from Epoc. And yeah, it's in mint condition. The sticker was still on here. It was at my parents' house in the attic. I think it slept there for better part of 20 years. And it's like new, no scratches, nothing, really perfect condition, unused. I opened this part here and I saw there's a slot. I thought it was for a SSD or yeah, there's a hard drive, but actually it's for a sort of SD card or something, but a huge one. You can buy those for €10 and they only hold 4 GB or 8 GB. Here I found there is a little yeah, you can open this and there's a battery cell in here, the round ones that you can use for your bicycle odometer or speedometer. And here, this is interesting. Yeah, 2 AA batteries you can fit in here. What this means is, and I want to be very clear about this, this thing will work. It's 20 years old, but because it doesn't have an internal battery, but 2 AA batteries that didn't leak because they were not in there. Super good idea not to put batteries in here and leave them 20 years. It will work normally. I can just switch it on because I got a power cable. I got this kind of thing. I think it's to transfer data from this machine to the computer. But I don't even know if it's compatible, because if I write something on this, yeah, before it would have been possible to transfer to the computer, but I don't have the disk. I don't have the program to connect actually to this computer. I see there's also some wireless function. I think it's wireless internet. They also have infrared. I think it's infrared. And they used. I think this was for the stylus. Oh, that's a bummer. I don't have a stylus for this. Well, what I will do is I will change out this battery here, because there was one battery in here for a better part of 20 years. I'll remove that one, put a new battery in, then I put new batteries in here, and yeah, we'll start it up. I might be able to do that right now. Up. Oh. 20 years difference, yay. Okay, let's put it in. Voila, a new one. Okay, what I forgot was I don't need a battery. The only thing I need is this, of course. Let's see if I can still work it like that. Voila. Let's see what happens. There's a little red light here. So that's super. It's on. There's sound. No visual. Oh yeah, there is. Ooh, almost can't see it. Scion Series 5. Okay, screen is almost invisible. And it is a touchscreen! Yay! How can I show you guys? I don't know if you can see this. It's almost invisible. Look, it's working. Told you guys, 20 years, still works. I will have a lot of fun with this. You know, this is great. Look at the little keyboard. You know, such a nice thing. Pity they don't make these kind of things anymore. Okay, then off. Switching off. Oi. How come I can't switch it off? Control. Right. Function. Yeah! So you press function and then off. Okay. Well, there are no batteries inside, so I can just pull the plug. Ah, that's a nice discovery. You know, it still works after 20 years, more than 20 years. I'll be having a lot of fun with this thing. I will add memory because I found online you can still add some memory. Conveniently called also SSD memory. Just an SD card but this big. Okay, that will be my next video. Typing and plugging in SSD card. Bye bye. Like and subscribe. Don't forget.